So I think everybody here at some point in their lives has thought about being a singer of some kind. Well, today I'm going to show you how to do so at home at little to no cost. I'm going to walk you through the basic gear necessary in order to do so, how to record the sounds, and how to mix the final results. First of all, you need a computer. Anything pretty much you can buy at today's stores will do the job. The two main parts you want to focus on are hard drive and your Wi-Fi. It is not recommended that you record the sound of the same hard drive that the software is installed on. Meaning, if the software that you're using is on hard drive C, you want to save the sounds into hard drive D or E. And if you don't have another hard drive in your computer, you can buy a standalone, which will hook up to your computer via cable. Number two is the Wi-Fi. The wireless card in your computer, which searches for the networks available, sends out a signal, and that signal may stop your recording at any time. And it doesn't happen too often, but when it happens, it may be frustrating. Therefore, you want to disable that card when recording. So the main component is the audio interface. The unit I have here is MBox Mini 2. It's pretty much the smallest unit you can get, and it only has two inputs. In my case, that's all I need. And by the inputs, I mean the amount of external equipment I can plug into it at once. And it also has a built-in power supply, which is actually required to power up the microphone. The microphone plugs in the back here, and this button here enables the 48 volts required for the microphone to work. In the front here we have four knobs. First one controls the volume. It pretty much controls just what's coming out of your headphones and speakers. Number two controls your mix. If you pull it up all the way to the left, you're going to hear only the headphones. If you move it to the right, you're going to hear the headphones and what's being picked up by your microphone as well. These two control your inputs, which is just how sensitive the microphone is. If you have it all the way maxed out, you can put your microphone in that corner and you'll be able to record from here. If you have it all the way to the left, you'll have to be really close to your microphone to record. This is where your headphones go. It doesn't really matter what kind of headphones you use, as long as the headphones don't leak out much sound when you're close to the microphone, because it may be picked up by the microphone, and it's going to create an echo effect, which you might not want. Like I said before, this is where the microphone cable plugs in. The other end goes into the microphone, then your microphone mounts on a tripod, and you may then mount a pop filter in front of your microphone as well, which stays on your tripod as well. Pop filter goes right in front of the microphone. It protects the microphone. It doesn't pick up your breathing and sounds like cook or stuff like that, which you might not want either. You may also invest into isolation, which is pretty much just foam that absorbs the sound. It goes right behind your microphone and around, and it absorbs the sound which would otherwise bounce off, come back into your microphone, and create that delay echo effect as well. So now I'm going to talk about recording the actual sounds into your computer. The software I have here is called Pro Tools, and these individual rows are called audio tracks, and the top one has a full file on it. It's an audio wave format. It's pretty much just a visual representation of what the sound looks like. And to record a sound into a particular track, all you have to do is click the record button over here. Then you go to your bar, quick access bar, you record the record button, and then you click play. Once you click play, your microphone will start picking up the sounds. Once you click stop, it will stop, and it will create something like here on the bottom. And then you can move that, delete that, redo, and do as you wish. And you can create as many as you want, and how many ever tracks you have. So once you're satisfied with the results, and you have all the tracks that you want to mix your final results, and then put them all into one file so you can upload it, listen to it, share it with your friends. Mixing involves adding different effects into your tracks, like auto-tune, delays, echo, and such. You do so by creating a separate auxiliary channel, or for short, aux track. It looks just like one of these audio tracks. We just have a different name and a different volume extractor. You then apply the desired effect onto that aux channel. You will set its input and let's say 1, and then the audio track, which you want to add that effect onto, you'll set that audio track's output into 1, which will correspond to the aux channels. And the sound that plays through the audio track will no longer go out through your headphones. It will then travel to your aux channel, and then the aux channel will come out of your headphones with the effect applied. And you can create as many as you want, apply as many effects as you want into any individual audio track. When you're finally done with adding the effects, you want to put everything into one file, or everything into one audio track. You create a new empty audio track. You will set its input into, let's say, 2, and then everything else that you want to go in there, you'll set its outputs into 2 as well. You'll click the record button. You'll click the record button on the quick bar again, and click play. Once everything is done, you can export your file, upload it on YouTube, listen to it, share it with your friends, and that's the process for that. So I've walked you through the basic gear needed, how to record the sounds into your computer, and how to mix your final sound. There's obviously much more to it. There's a lot of stuff I have no idea about. I'm still learning. And I just wish I had more time because I would devote most of it towards that and only that.